Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out a beautiful brand new 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat series. The exterior color is a lightning blue, and under the hood we have a 5-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have our halogen headlamps with low beams and high beams, as well as our fog lamps and our tow hooks with the color matched front bumper and the front grille. At the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires. At the sides we also have our blind spot information system sensing mirrors with the sensors in the rear tail lights, as well as the OEM Ford running boards and the color matched door handles. At the rear, we have a power sliding defrosting window, and in the box we have our LED lights, as well as we have our backup assist with backup sensors. Down here we have our trailer system with our 4 and 7 pin connector with our 5th wheel lock on the right side. At the interior, we have many driver-friendly features, including door storage, power locks, as well as memory seating for the driver, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, and power foldable mirrors. As we get into the cabin, the driver and the passenger will be able to enjoy a 10-way fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. Over here we have our automatic headlight dial, our pull-on parking brake, and our pedal foot adjustable brakes. Here we have our mirror LED switches. And over at the steering wheel we have our informational trackpad and our cruise control settings on the left, with our entertainment and our hands-free system here below. As we look up, we have our rear view auto dimming mirror, as well as our cabin lights and a place for the sunglasses. Here at the center face we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen, which allows the driver for navigation, audio hookup, and climate control, and phones, which also allowing you to hook up your Android or Apple smartphone. And to the right we have our 12-volt and our AC plug-in. Down here we have our tools which allows us to turn up the volume and tune the correct channel. Down below we have our dual climate control, which allows for heating and ACing seats for both passenger and driver. And down in our cubby hole here we have 2 smart chargers. To the left we have our 4-wheel engagement, and down below we have our integrated trailer brake. And as we look at the center console we have our 10-speed select shift manual shifter, and to the right we have our glove box, which allows storage and comfort for passenger and driver, with 2 more cup holders in the rear for the passengers. At the back, passengers will be able to enjoy door storage, power windows, as well as more storage in the rear of the driver's seat and the passenger seat. We also have seating for 3 passengers in the back, which allows lots of legroom as well as headspace. We have our fold-down dual cup holder here, as well as in the rear of the center console we have our 12-volt adapter, as well as our 2 smart charging USB ports and our AC outlet. If you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. We thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.